sure you subscribe to Real Hustle.
Woo! Good morning and welcome to another episode with Real Hustle. We're getting ready to head to South Park, Colorado to ice fish at ANTERO Reservoir. We're going to be meeting Tom from Few Day Runaways as well as his buddy Miguel. We're going to be meeting Jasson, Darla, and Presley, new Real Hustle team members, and it's going to be my birthday today. So if you guys know how old I'm turning, leave it in the comments below and you'll be entered into a raffle to win some free merch. Hopefully we can hold some big fish in front of you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get right to the fishing. So we just got to the reservoir. We're about halfway out to the spot. There's zero wind. It's such a nice day. We do have a full moon in effect. Sometimes that affects the fishing, so we'll see how it goes. Today we're also going to be doing a review, Plusinno.com. We've done a review for them in the past on a pair of pliers. This time we're going to be doing it on this ice fishing rod. So hopefully we can bend this thing over on a nice big fish and do a good review and see what we find. So the reel matches the rod real nice. Plusinno Ice 2 is the rod. So let's give her a shot. Hey, Bubba's. Hey. Hey. What's your dog's name, Tom?
Nannook.
Nannook?
Yeah.
Sick.
Little baby Nannook.
Hey, nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you,
yeah,
too,
buddy.
Man.
Yeah. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah, bro. All right, guys, we're out here. We're all set up. Tom and Miguel just showed up, and we should see Jasson, Darla, and Presley next. We've got 2 rods set, and we're just going to see what happens here. So stay tuned. Appreciate the support. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Oh, he snapped. Felt good, too.
It looked good with that head right there.
No, it must have been something sharp. Not a great start watching that thing snap. Felt like a good fish, too.
Here we go.
All right, guys, second shot. First one I snapped off. Oh yeah, I can see it down there.
Little rainbow.
That's what we like. So after breaking off that first one, it's pretty heartbreaking, but now I got a second fish on and we're hoping to pull this one through the hole and show it to you guys. All right, guys, Plusinno just got hit. They sent me this rod like I was telling you. All right, guys, the review on the Plusinno. We're just getting started. This rod popped. Feels like another decent fish. Yep, just seen him down there. Pretty average rainbow, possibly. The rod feels good. It's got a decent amount of backbone. And, ooh, that's a nice fish, guys. We're gonna see if we can get him up here with us. There he goes. That's a nice one. All right, guys, there it is. Beautiful rainbow, probably about 20 inches, getting close to that 21-inch mark. Beautiful fish. We're gonna go ahead and let it go next. All right, guys, as you know, Bennyb with Real Hustle here. We've got Darla, the newest team member of Real Hustle, and Presley. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Say hi to the camera, say hi to all the fans.
Hi. Hi.
You guys excited to see these guys catch fish? I'm sure you are. So next thing you should see is some rods bending, some big smiles being had, and hopefully some big fish coming through the hole. What do you say, guys? Give me the rock. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we just passed our rod off. It's the Plusinno, and Darla's got a big old fish on there. Step forward like one step. There you go. How's he feel, Darla?
He feels good.
Nice. Do you like that rod? Nice looking fish, Darla. He's close by. Oh, it's a brown. Let's see if I can land him backwards. Darla just got this 18.5, almost 19-inch brown. We're gonna go ahead and release this fish. Guys, so they just ran like Forrest Gump across this ice, and Miguel, did you step in a hole?
No, I hit the ice.
Miguel just got slammed like, I don't know, a linebacker just took him out.
You got that WWE slam. We'll get your first one on the board, and
yeah, Presley.
Next one's Presley's.
Next one on one of my rods is Presley, but these guys still need to catch a few fish themselves. No, you get it. You get it, Miguel.
Come closer to the hole.
Yep, come step up close to the hole, buddy.
Oh, that was so funny.
Yep, there you go. Just keep the rod nice and tight. What do you think about fishing, Presley?
It's fun.
Yeah, you like it? You like catching big fish?
Yeah.
What do you think about being on the Real Hustle team?
Yeah.
Stoked, huh?
There it is. Here we go. Come on, buddy.
Oh, I got that.
We're on the board.
Not a bad fish.
Great way to start the day, though. Beat the skunk. Keep going.
All right, guys, we're gonna pass this rod off to Presley. Yep. Ooh. That Plusinno rod is holding up to these fish pretty good, isn't it, Presley?
Yeah.
All right, guys, Presley with another nice little tank here on the ice. Really showing that real hustle. What do you think, Presley? You happy?
Yeah.
Wanna let him go? Good job, dude. Woo! All right, guys, Mr. Tom on his first fish of the day. He's claiming it's his favorite rod and reel, so.
Oh, yeah. Daiwa Regal 2000 on an ugly stick. Look at that.
Nice fish, best one of the day. I'm guessing that one probably goes 21.
I think so.
That's a nice female. She's full edge.
I didn't see a kite. That's 21.
21 inches. All right, Tom and Miguel just passed the rod off to Darla. Are you excited to get a Real Hustle hat?
Yeah.
You gonna wear it proudly? So Presley, you said you like giraffes. What do you like, Darla? What's your favorite animal?
Probably a peacock.
Peacocks are cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
You know what they sound like? Hurrah! All right, guys, Darla's got one of the prettiest fish of the day on. It's a big rainbow with some dark coloring and some nice spots. Ooh, just smoked her right there. We're gonna see if we can get it up on the ice next. All right, guys, these are the hot jigs. Mr. Mark Armstrong at Icefire ties these by hand, and you can reach him on Facebook. You definitely want to have some of these guys. They are successful. Tom just popped off. Second fish of the day, Nannook posing.
What do you think, Bubba's? Dude, I gotta show off my sweatshirt. This is thanks to the little shop next to Spinny that I'm keeping warm right now.
The chaparral?
The chaparral, dude. Go check it out. You know, like he'll help just about anybody out. Super cool guy.
Oh, yours just popped off.
There it is.
All right, guys, so it's been a successful start. Everyone's got a fish on the board. We've got a girl named Angelica that's coming from near the airport in Denver that's never really got out here much. She doesn't have an auger. She doesn't have anything to make it happen. All she has is a rod. So we invited her out. Hopefully we can put her on a fish. She should be here soon.
We got Presley on a fish here again. Another nice one. Hey, come up a little closer. Oh yeah, feel good? You guys are killing it today, huh? You guys are getting them all. Good job. You guys got that lucky touch.
I feel like you're so slow.
Oh yeah, he's close. He's close. Yeah, nice one. There he goes. I got you. High five. Oh, another one. Hey, fish on again. Go grab it. Go grab it. Good again. Triple dove. Show the fish to the camera. And she's gone. Still haven't seen him. Feel bigger than last one? Yeah. Oh, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. He's running towards you. Keep reeling. Oh yeah, he was running towards you. It's crazy, dude.
How was this one?
That was a good 16, 18 incher. And then right after he popped off here. Haven't seen this one yet. It feels a little bit bigger. I think I got it recorded.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, they should switch one of those out back out here. Yeah,
Whoa!
This one's running. He's been doing some good ones.
How's he feel, Presley?
Big.
Bigger than the last one?
Yeah.
You having fun, Presley?
Yeah.
You like fishing, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like fishing as much as you like giraffes?
Yeah. My hands are so freezing.
You want me to take over?
Yeah.
Okay, tuck your hands. Yeah, I don't know, guys.
We could just cruise the boat over that direction and...
Might just try and start horsing it and see what happens.
Oh, that's good.
Ooh, that might have been what we needed.
I'm gonna pull some weeds out of the mud. Come on, baby, keep going.
Yes.
Look. I'm stuck now.
This fish is a. Oh, he's gone.
That right there.
Oh, what a. No, he. Oh, yeah.
Right there.
What did he look like, Miguel?
Yeah, a good 20 something.
All right, guys, we're handing this rod off. I think it's Darla's turn.
Yeah.
Darla, here you go. Ooh, it's a good one. Yeah. It's gonna run a few times. It's colored up cut bow, Plusinno. It's working great. It's the most colorful cut bow we've seen all day. Might have a nice kype jaw on it too. It's definitely a male. Real Hustle team member, and she just put this really beautiful cut bow, kyped up male buck on the ice. We're gonna take a quick slow-mo and we're gonna release this fish next. All right, guys, I'm running back to the parking lot. Angelica just arrived. She's having a hard time figuring out where. So I'm going to get her. And she made a post on iFish Colorado or Ice Fishing Colorado saying she has a rod, but she doesn't have all the gear. So we invited her out. Hopefully she can get her first ice fish today. Here we go. Yeah, let's see what you got.
Baby,
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So I got Angelica here, and we're gonna get her on some big fish, Real Hustle style. Are you excited?
Sir, I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
Make sure you subscribe to Real Hustle.
Woo! How's it feel, Angelica?
Delicious.
Did Real Hustle put you on?
Oh, under the size.
You excited to show this to your papi?
See.
It's a splake! All right, Angelica with the very first fish. It's a splake. Beautiful little fish. We're gonna let her go. Good job. All right, so we just got back out here and it looks like Miguel's getting ready to hit this hot pot.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna put some tacos out here.
Miguel's claiming tacos, guys.
Fresh tacos on the lake. Can't beat that, man.
Wow, look at that, huh? Oh, it smells so good. All right, Miguel, so what do you got here?
We got the discada going. 7 different meats. You got bologna, ham, chicken, pork, beef, and a few others. Oh, bacon. I forgot the last one. But
Delicious.
Deliciousness.
Discada?
Discada.
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 Woo!
Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you so much, bro. Even these corn tortillas have been roasted and just warmed up. Wow. Here you go, Angelica. This is a big fish, Angelica. How does it feel?
Delicious.
What's your favorite YouTube channel?
Real Hustle.
You got it.
Oh, shush. Oh,
That's a big one.
yes. I just saw it. It's white. I don't want to, like, you know, like
You're doing
push
great.
it.
You're doing great. And this is going to be her very first big fish. So let's see if we can get it up here and get a nice photo of her holding it.
I'm so scared right now. Tengo miedo.
Oh, he's big.
All right, let's let him go.
I love you.
You gonna kiss him? Good job.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Yeah, man. We're lit, man. Brought your candles.
Woo! All right, guys, look at this dank little birthday cake these guys got me. You know I don't eat sugar, but today is that day. You guys come take a bite because I'm only gonna take one, and I want you guys to eat some, and then I'm gonna let one of these little kids pie me with this thing.
Tiramisu.
Oh, det är cool.
Come get some, Tom.
The dog one.
Yeah, I like tiramisu.
All right, guys, so this rest of this cake is gonna get an old traditional Bobbit family, and it's gonna get smashed in my face. And now, since none of the kids want to do it to me, I'm gonna do it to myself. Here we go.
Been a long time coming, man. I've watched enough of your videos to know about Benny's famous Turk wraps, and here we are.
Tom's got that Bennyb famous turkey and cheese. So far, I've got nothing but good things to say about this Plusinno rod. It's got enough backbone, it's got enough sensitivity, and it's handled everything we've thrown at it. So I would recommend it, guys. So check out their website. They've got all kinds of tackle, nets, rods, reels, the whole deal. How's he feel, Tom?
It's pretty solid. Most of these fish in this lake are just hogs, man.
A lot of rods have been lost down these holes, guys.
Oh yeah. Dang, man. And that's the thing about South Park fish is, like, some people want to say that they are the hardest fighting fish in the world. And it's like a known thing that people say, but I mean, there's a reason they say that. These things just don't give up.
There he goes, guys. We're gonna get rid of him now. He took off pretty good, actually. All right, guys, Jason gets his turn. How's he feel, Jason?
He feels good. Maybe, hopefully, sometimes the small ones like to fight extra hard too.
Yeah, today
trick
they
you.
seem like those little ones are feisty.
There we go.
Get him out of there?
Oh,
Yeah.
he was just right there, too. Dang it.
How do you look?
He's maybe 18.
Here he comes.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's...
All right, guys, Jason with a really nice fish. He always hands his rods off to his kids, but he got to fight this one. All right, guys, I just got hit.
That's cute. That looks good.
Feels like a decent fish, guys. We had 3 rods pop at the same time.
I'm gonna check my
Wow, that's a pretty one.
There he is, guys. We're just gonna go ahead and let this fish go. 3 rods popped, guys. We landed one. The other one just wasn't there, and it looks like Darla is on the 3rd.
Hang on.
Yeah,
Oh my
nice
goodness, it's a nice brown.
The male kiked up.
Oh, I just saw him pretty good. Big old hook jaw male brown. Good job, guys. So it's now 3:45, and we talked about pulling rods right around 4 o'clock. So we're gonna give it about 15 more minutes, start breaking down our camp, start pulling some jaw jackers and sliding our way off the ice. It's been a pretty radical day. Hopefully we can pull another fish, but if not, when we get back to the truck, I'll give you a proper outro. So we're gonna go ahead and end this episode here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a great day. Big cut bows, all colored up in kipe jaw, same with the brown. multiple other great fish caught throughout the day. Tom and Miguel, new friends, friends for life. Those tacos were next level for my birthday, and we all had a great time. Angelica, she was kind of first time ice fishing, didn't have all the proper gear, got out here and crushed some amazing fish as well. Jasson, the kids, Darla, Presley, they're great. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you guys in a couple days for another episode with Real Hustle.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.